This video will show you how to edit and add buttons, buy now buttons to the slider. So as usual, we need to go to the dashboard, and the sliders are edited from this menu here called Soliloquy. So this is a list of the existing sliders. We'd like to edit the shop slider, so we click on shop, and some of these images have text on them and some don't, or rather they have buy now buttons and some don't. Now you can see you have to create the sliders in Photoshop. You can see on the left there's no text there, it's all added in the code here on the right, and I've added that code to the instruction document and highlighted the bits you need to change in red. So let's copy this code. You can copy it from the instruction document as well if you wish. And I know that this slide here, Denise's Landscapes, doesn't have a button. So if we paste in the text, the code, the bit that we want is just the bit after this here where it says A-class Soliloquy button, and that needs to go after P there. So let's copy this. We don't need this anymore. We'll put in the button here. Now the button at the moment goes to Rosalind Franklin. We would like it to go to Denise's landscape prints. So I'll save that for now. And what we need to do is go to navigate to the relevant section. So Fine Art Printmaking, here's some of the landscapes. And after product category, you can see Fine Art Printmaking. That's the bit of code that we need to copy. And instead of it saying Rosalind Franklin, I'm pasting in Fine Art Printmaking. Exactly the same. And save metadata. Close the box, then click on Update, and then let's have a look at the slider. We need to refresh the page, and let's look at the slider as it goes through the slideshow. And there we are, there's the Buy Now button. When you click on that, it takes us to this Fine Art Printmaking page. Just to show how that works, let's go to a different page and we'll wait for the slider to go through. At the moment the page is just showing all products. There's the Buy Now button. We click on that and that takes us to the Fine Art Printmaking. If you wanted to go to a specific product, for example, this winter landscape here, what you then need to do is take this code here, everything after the .co.uk, copy that, go back to the slider, select the relevant slide, and then you paste in what we've just copied, save, close, update, go back to the front of the website, refresh the page so that it shows the latest changes, and let's see now. First of all, we want to go to a different page. Let's see now if that slider button takes us to a product. There it is. Click on Buy Now. It should take us, there we are, straight to the Winter Landscape product. So that's how you add a button. You can edit the text. You can change the name here. You can edit this text here. You can change, even it could say, rather than buy now, it could say sign up, for example. Or anything you wish. I'll save that. Close the box. Update. Go to the front end. Refresh the page so it shows the latest. And let's see if it now says sign up. No, it doesn't for some reason. I think I know why. And this is useful when I make a mistake. You can learn from my mistakes. The title is sign up, but I didn't change the actual text here. So if I change this, save the metadata, the title is what you would see when you roll over the button. OK, update, go to the front end, refresh the page. Don't click on the Pinterest button. Refresh the page, and let's now see if it's changed to sign up. And it has. And that's how you edit a banner.